way to convert visitors to your page into fans. And it shows them this big image, 520 pixels wide by 650 pixels high. You message to the visitor they need to click the like button in order to access the download or the next page in the process. And it's a really strong effect on converting visitors into fans. So you put a compelling message here to get the visitor to click that like button. I'll show you how it works. So after I click like, it refreshes the page, and now it's going to show me the second panel, which is another large image here where you message to the user that they need to click this blue button to unlock the download. And what you're doing here is you're using Facebook and social word of mouth to help promote and market a promotional download. It could be a white paper, a song, a video, a book, software, games, printable coupons, images, tickets, all kinds of downloads. It supports virtually all file types. And what happens here is you get users to click unlock the download, which generates the share dialog box. So in here you message that the user just unlocked a free chunk of content by using your application. And you can type a personal message here. You can control this in the admin settings, and I'll show you how to do that. But this generates basically a viral wave of people spreading the word about the content that you're giving away. So it generates a huge viral effect and can generate a ton of downloads. There is a skip button here to comply with Facebook terms of use. It's not allowed to make mandatory sharing in order to unlock files. So after they share the content or hit the skip button, it'll bring them to the third panel, in which there's another large image here where you can message the user, thanks for sharing this, and now you can get your download here by clicking the download now button. And we're using it on our fan page right now to give away a white paper. So when you click it, it starts to download. It'll download it right into their browser. You can also link to external document hosting. You don't have to have a download delivered. We're linking over to a usage document that talks about all the different ways from A to Z that you could use this tool. It's a great one to read if you're thinking about using this app. So this is the exclusive offer app from North Social, and I'm going to jump over to the admin panel and show you how to set this up. So I've logged back in as an admin of this page, and one thing you see that's different is there's a big green link here, which is Edit tab settings, and it's the way you access the admin controls for this app. And this is visible to admins of the page only. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to take me to the control panel where I configure this application. And it's super simple. You sort of start from the top and work your way down. So the first thing you want to do is decide whether or not you want to require users to become a fan in order to access the next page. So if you turn that on, you need to select an image that's 520 by 650 pixels. And that's that first landing image for non-fans only, where you want to message that they need to like your page in order to continue to get their download. The second image is the one that's above the share button and the unlock the download button, which is 520 by 400 pixels. Again, you just click browse and select the image that you've cropped and set up from the files on your local PC. And then it shows you a preview once you've selected an image. After the user takes the download and gets the download, you want to select a thank you image, which is 520 pixels by 300 pixels. And this is the image that shows above that last, the third panel, and that the download button itself. So this is and I'll show you a preview here. If you want to make that last image linkable, you can here by just toggling this onto yes. And if you do, you have to enter a URL here of where you want people to click on to go. So maybe after you give them a white paper, you send them onto your website or onto another tab on your Facebook page. So there's two different ways we deliver the download. One is you can have us host the file and we deliver it. And we use Amazon S3. It's super fast. And we have a rapid time expiring link so that it can't be shared. So users have to come back to your Facebook page in order to get the content, which is a great way of sort of driving all of the users who want that content back to your Facebook page. You can also just host it yourself. And if you host it yourself, you're going to enter a file download URL of where users are going to go get that file, or you can put it on your website, or you can put it on your blog or some other place. But you're fully flexible. You don't have to have your file hosted with us, but we certainly can support that. If you do, and you exceed 10,000 downloads, there are very, very small data charges that start to apply, and it's like a half a cent, and it ranges. But if a piece of content went super viral and got thousands and thousands, 50,000 downloads, I think it generates like a $20 bill That really just covers our cost for hosting and delivering your file. Here's a really cool feature too. If you want to add this exclusive download button to your blog or website, it generates code here that links back to this particular tab on your Facebook page. So you could drop this in around a blog post and then drive people to Facebook where they actually access the download and use that unlock the download button, which generates a share. So it's a great way to use your blog to bounce people back to your Facebook page to get your free content, because it has so much more viral impact if you spread it across Facebook. The share settings, and this is really important for this app because this is what goes on users' walls when they click that unlock the download button. And here's where you customize the title. You add 140 characters of text, a thumbnail image, which is 64 by 64 pixels, and it'll show you a preview here, and then up to 300 characters of text. When you're done setting up this app and you've configured all your settings to how you want them, you click this big green Save All Updates button, and it'll save all the changes you've made. And then you click View Page, and you can go back and see what you've set up and tested. So this has been setting up the exclusive offer app from North Social. You can get this app and all the apps at northsocial.com. Thanks for watching.